Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So as in this video I'm going to show you how can you fix your payment method was declined. Please click billing info and update your payment information. So as if you're also facing this problem, here I will show you how can you easily fix it. So I simply go back to your home screen and here I will give you some possible solutions that can help you to fix this problem. So first of all, open settings in your device. And from here tap on your Apple ID and tap on payment and shipping. So guys, wait for some seconds here. So guys, from here you have to simply remove your payment method for one time. So as here you can see this, I have already removed it. So as after this, go back and from here tap on sign in and security, and from here tap on change password. So guys, enter your passcode for your iPhone and change the password for your Apple ID for one time from here. So I simply change the password for your Apple ID, and after this go back again, and from here you have to simply sign out your Apple ID for one time in your device. So I simply sign out from here, and after this you have to force restart your device for one time. So I simply press and release the volume up button and then down, and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So I simply force restart the device, and after it, sign in your Apple ID again in this device. So I simply sign in your Apple ID again, and after this you have to open your Apple ID and tap on payment and shipping. So guys, tap on this and wait again for some seconds. So guys, from here you have to simply add your payment method again in your device. So I simply add your all the information regarding your payment method and save it in your device. So guys, after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.